So guys, I recently find out that a lot of Opay users don't even know about cashback. They don't know that whenever they earn cashback on their Opay, they can use this cashback to get something, maybe to buy airtime, but they don't know. Yes, but in this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps, the step-by-step guide you need to follow to use your cashback, and you will see I also have cashback on my Opay account right now, and I'm going to be using it. So this guide will certainly help you. However, before we get started, the first thing you should do is to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Turn on the notification for when you do so. You are encouraging me to upload more useful content like this. So let's get started. Let me log into my Opay account first. So as you can see, I'm currently in my Opay account, and look at the money I have there. I currently have 416 naira 14 kobo. Now I have cashback on my Opay account. So for you to see how much cashback you've earned, you need to tap on this reward. As you can see here, tap on it. So at the top left corner here, you can see I currently have 108, yes, 108 naira as cashback. So this money, I can use it. It is not withdrawable. Don't be deceived and don't disturb yourself. This money is not withdrawable. However, there is a way of using it. Now let's see how I earn this cashback. So let me show you how I earn the cashback. So it will also help you to check how you've earned your own cashback as well. So just tap on the money. So you can see earning this month, I earned 34.25 kobo. Last month, I earned, or let me say earning this year rather, I earned 34.25 kobo. You know, we are in January. So you can see January, 2 naira, 2 naira, 1 naira, 2 naira, 4 naira, 4 naira. That was how I earned up to 108 naira. Yes. So let's see how to use it. So don't tap on that, just tap here, go back. So tap on home. Now we all know that Opay offers several services ranging from betting, data, airtime, TV subscription, and a lot more. Yes. So whichever have you choose. So let me choose airtime as a sample, and I'll also go to data to show you that you can use your cashback to buy data and airtime. Even you can use it to subscribe your GoTV, DSTV, etc. So let's go to airtime. So let me say I want to buy 100 naira airtime, or let me say I want to buy 200 naira airtime. 200 naira. So look at this place. You can see product name, airtime, recipient mobile number, amount, bonus to earn, cashback of 108 that you see earlier. Now, look at the front here. Tap this thing to toggle it on. Once it's toggle on, you can see, look at the current price now. From 200 naira, it has been reduced to 92 naira only. So that is to say, your cashback has reduced the price which you will have to purchase. So the amount I will have to pay right now is just 92 naira only. And even from that, I will also earn cashback. As you can see here at the top here, 4 naira cashback. Once I buy this airtime, I'm going to get 4 naira cashback. So let's go back to how to use it on data. So if I just want to use it now, I will just tap on pay. After tapping on pay, touch the fingerprint sensor and it will be successful immediately. I will pay just 92 naira. So let's go back to airtime. To data rather. So if you want to use it on data, just tap on it. I will not waste your time here. So 100 MB, 200 MB, 1 gig. So let me just tap 200 MB, hit 200 naira. So you can see just toggle it on here and look at the current one. 200, I mean, from 200 down to 92 naira. So the 108 has stand for the remaining balance. So you just have to tap on pay and on the tap on the fingerprint and it will be successful. Now let's see how we can use it on TV. So let's go back, cancel. So TV, I'm using GoTV, so just tap it. You can use it on anyone, but I'm using GoTV as an example because I already have it here. So you can see, just tap on renewal. So you can see 1,575 naira as a sample. Just tap on cashback, it will reduce. You can see here, but I don't have up to 1,467. I need to fund my account so that I will be able to get the GoTV subscription done successfully. So let's go back. I'm going to be buying airtime with it. So please don't skip this step right now. So let's go back and let me show you how it will be fully done. So I'm buying 100 naira airtime for this MTN number. So you just tap on it. You can see I'm paying 000. Yes, they will not deduct anything from my money. You know, I have 400 naira plus on my account. So as you can see here, 00 naira. So that means they will not even reduce or deduct any money rather from my account. Just tap on pay, then you can see successful 0. You can see 0 naira. Now let's go back to my balance. You can see 416 naira 14 kobo that was there before still remain there, and I even air bonus from the airtime that I purchased, bonus of 2 naira. You can see. So please follow the step in this video. So please follow the steps in this video and successfully you'll get yours done as well. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel, turn on the notification so that you will not miss important videos from me anymore. Thank you and bye for now.